Are you looking something for your acne scars? Well, you have to first understand that there is no oral or medical or topical treatment for your acne scars. There are only procedures, and many a times people feel that there will be some cream that they can apply and get rid of your acne scars. Well, that's far from being the truth. You have to get a treatment in consultation with your dermatologist, which might be a fractional laser, then be it erbium YAG, erbium glass, or a CO2 fractional laser, a MNRF, that is microneedling radio frequency, PRP treatments, that's PRP, that is platelet rich plasma, and at times we combine the two to get the best results. The other things that can be done is a TCA cross, something known as subcision or radio frequency with subcision, and something latest that has hit the Indian market, or when I tell you Indian market, the world, that is the hybrid laser. So if you are looking for a treatment for your acne scars, these treatments can help you reduce your acne scars. Of course, they cannot vanish altogether, but you can definitely get a reasonable good results. And if you are looking for a quick result, then there is something known as dermal fillers, which can help you get rid of your acne scars. Take care of your skin. Bye bye.